Today I am going to share chicken with yellow chickpeas recipe. Yellow chickpeas preparation. Yellow chickpeas 1 cup. Water. Cover and soak for overnight. Soaked. Wash. Add yellow chickpeas in a boiling water. Salt 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cover and boil. Check. Boiled. Oil 1 cup. Onion 1 cup. Fry 1 minutes. Ginger, garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Sauté 1 minutes. Chopped tomato 1 cup. Stir. Salt to taste. Yellow lentil, 1/2 cup. Add whole spice. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Little bit water. Stir. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Stir. Add chicken leg 8 pieces. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Add boiled yellow chickpeas. Mix. Green chili. Add chickpea stock. Cover and cook. Stir after sometimes. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Coriander leaf on top. Slice green chili. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.